In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of your Google account on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app on our iPhone or Android smartphone. After that, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account and then tap right here where it says You. On your device, this button may be located somewhere here at the top right. And once you are at your channel's page, then you need just to tap right here at Switch Account button, and then you will be taken to the page where at the very bottom you can easily find Manage Accounts on this device. Now I'm going to tap right here, and as you can see, now we are taken to the page where we can easily check all the accounts we've signed in on that particular device. And from here we can easily log out of any account from this list simply by tapping at Remove from this device button. Now here it says that this account and any unsaved data will be removed from YouTube and other Google apps on this device. So now, guys, by hitting at Remove, I will sign out that particular account from all the Google applications on my device, such as Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Maps, and others. Please note that it doesn't remove the account itself, it will just sign you out from all Google services, including YouTube, at once. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.